pleasant, pleasant.
Pleasure, please, pleasant, pleased, unpleasant, pleasurable, pleasantly.
Enjoyable, attractive, friendly, or easy to like.
A pleasant smile or person. A pleasant climate or day or surprise. Harold did his best to be pleasant to the old man.
Park, park.
Park, park.
Parking, park.
To leave a vehicle in a particular place for a period of time.
Where have you parked? You can park your car over there. Skating, skating. Skate, skating, skate.
The activity or sport of moving on skates.
Ice or inline or roller skating. Shall we go skating tomorrow? Grow, grow. Growth, grow, growing. Grew, grown.
To develop and become bigger or taller as time passes.
Children grow so quickly.
If a plant grows, or you grow it, it develops from a seed to a full plant.
Tomatoes grow well in full sun. The villagers grow coffee and maize to sell in the market.
Danger, danger.
Danger, dangerous, endangered, dangerously.
The possibility that someone or something will be harmed or killed, or that something bad will happen.
Danger, keep out. The dangers of rock climbing. He drove so fast that I really felt my life was in danger.
Suit or suit. Suit or suit.
Suit, suit. Suitability, suit, suitable, unsuitable, suitably.
A jacket and trousers or a jacket and skirt that are made from the same material.
She wore a dark blue suit. All the businessmen were wearing pinstripe suits. Add, add. Addition, add, additional, additionally.
To put something with something else.
Beat the butter and sugar together and slowly add the eggs. She's added a Picasso to her collection.
To put two or more numbers or amounts together to get a total.
If you add 3 and 4 you get 7. The restaurant will add 10% to your bill for service. Fresh, fresh.
Fresh food has been produced or collected recently and has not been frozen, dried, etc.
Fresh fruit or vegetables or fish or bread.
Email, email.
Email,
To send a message using email.
email me when you've got time. Has he emailed you that list of addresses yet?
Pleased, pleased.
Pleasure, please, pleasant, pleased, unpleasant, pleasurable, pleasantly.
Happy or satisfied?
Are you pleased about John's promotion? We're so pleased that you're able to come to the wedding. I'm really pleased with your work this term.
A polite way of greeting someone when you meet them for the first time.
I'm very pleased to meet you at last. See. Seeing, saw, seen.
To watch a film, television program, etc.
Did you see that documentary on Channel 4 last night?
A minute. A minute.
Minute.
A very short period of time.
I'll be with you in a minute. It'll only take a minute to call him. When you've got a minute, I'd like a brief word with you. Course.
A part of a meal which is served separately from the other parts.
A 4-course lunch. For my main course, I had fish.
Used to say no and emphasize your answer.
Do you mind if I borrow your pen? Of course not.
Pillow. Pillow.
Pillow. Pillow.
A soft object which you rest your head on in bed.
Do you prefer a feather pillow or a foam pillow? Own. Owner, ownership, own.
Belonging to or done by a particular person or thing.
Each student has their own dictionary. She has her own apartment. She makes all her own clothes.